When choosing electrical drawing software, there are several options to consider, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Visio Pro 2003 is one option. A pro for Visio Pro 2003 is a familiar interface for Microsoft Office users. It also has a wide range of electrical templates and shapes, and it supports dynamic linking to other Office applications. Some cons of Visio Pro 2003 are that it can be expensive. Also, the learning curve can be steep for complex drawings. Another option is SmartDraw. Some pros of SmartDraw are that it is cheaper than Visio. It is also easy to use with a user-friendly interface. It also has an extensive library of electrical symbols and templates. Some cons of SmartDraw are that it may not be as powerful as Visio for advanced users. Also, it has limited customization options. A third option is AutoCAD Electrical. Some pros of AutoCAD Electrical are that it is an industry-leading electrical design software. It also has a comprehensive set of features for electrical design and documentation. It is also powerful and customizable. Some cons of AutoCAD Electrical are that it is expensive. Also, it requires specialized training to use effectively. Electra is another option. Some pros of Electra are that it is affordable and easy to use. It also has a wide range of electrical symbols and tools. It also supports export to various file formats. Some cons of Electra are that it may not be as powerful as other options for complex projects. Also, it has limited customization options. Finally, another option is Elecworks 2023. Some pros of Elecworks 2023 are that it is a comprehensive electrical computer-aided design solution. It also supports building information modeling workflows. It also has an extensive library of electrical components. Some cons of Elecworks 2023 are that it can be expensive. Also, the learning curve can be steep. For beginners or those looking for an affordable and easy-to-use option, SmartDraw or Electra are good choices. For more advanced users or those working on complex projects, Visio Pro 2003 or AutoCAD Electrical may be more suitable. For those looking for a comprehensive and customizable building information modeling compatible solution, Elecworks 2023 is an option. When selecting software, check the availability and quality of technical support. Ensure the software is compatible with the other software used, especially if there are plans to export or import data. Consider the cost of the software, including any additional fees for training or maintenance. When choosing electrical drawing software, begin by evaluating the complexity of projects. If the drawings are primarily simple layouts, consider a user-friendly and affordable option like SmartDraw or Electra. These programs offer a wide range of electrical symbols and templates that are easy to use, which streamlines the design process. For intricate and detailed projects, it is important to select software like AutoCAD Electrical or Visio Pro. These options provide a comprehensive feature set enabling precise control over every aspect of the electrical design. Another point is to assess the level of customization. Consider the importance of tailoring the software to a specific workflow. AutoCAD Electrical excels in customization options, allowing modification for personalized commands and creating custom symbols. This flexibility is important for those with unique requirements or who adhere to strict industry standards. Also, integration capabilities are crucial. Determine the need to integrate the electrical drawing software with other applications such as word processors, spreadsheets, and building information modeling software. Visio Pro and Elecworks 2023 are good choices due to their compatibility with a range of software, making data exchange and collaboration seamless. Evaluate the learning curve and support resources. Ensure that the software is not only feature-rich but also user-friendly. Programs like SmartDraw are designed to be easy to learn, while others such as AutoCAD Electrical require specialized training. Also verify the availability of documentation, tutorials, and technical support to assist the team throughout the learning process. Do not forget about the budget because the cost of electrical drawing software can vary significantly. Consider the initial purchase price, subscription fees, and potential costs for updates and training. While it may be tempting to opt for the cheapest option, prioritize long-term value and return on investment. Before making a final decision, take advantage of free trials or demos offered by software vendors. This allows to test the software firsthand and determine if it aligns with specific needs. It also provides an opportunity to evaluate the user interface, explore available features, and assess the overall performance. When comparing the choices, firstly, Visio Pro 2003 is user-friendly for Microsoft Office users, has extensive electrical templates, and supports dynamic linking to other applications. However, it can be expensive, and the learning curve can be steep for complex drawings. Secondly, SmartDraw is cheaper than Visio, easy to use with a user-friendly interface, and has an extensive library of electrical symbols and templates. It might not be as powerful for advanced users and has limited customization options. Thirdly, AutoCAD Electrical is an industry-leading software with a comprehensive feature set and is powerful and customizable. It is expensive and requires specialized training. Fourthly, Electra is affordable and easy to use, with a wide range of electrical symbols and tools, and supports export to various file formats. It might not be as powerful for complex projects and has limited customization options. Fifthly, Elecworks 2023 is a comprehensive electrical computer-aided design solution, supports building information modeling workflows, and has an extensive library of electrical components. However, it can be expensive, and the learning curve can be steep. When picking software, consider the project's complexity and the user's expertise. For simple projects and beginners, SmartDraw and Electra are suitable due to their ease of use and affordability. For complex projects and advanced users, Visio Pro 2003 and AutoCAD Electrical offer the necessary power and customization. For building information modeling integrated projects, Elecworks 2023 is an excellent choice. Check for available technical support, ensure compatibility with existing software, and evaluate the total cost, including training and updates, to make an informed decision that suits your needs. Remember that investing in the right electrical drawing software can significantly improve productivity, accuracy, and collaboration, so choose wisely. Consider whether a software subscription or perpetual license is right. Also, think about the scale and type of projects. When making the decision, consider other important factors. If the team consists of Microsoft Office users, the intuitive interface of Visio Pro can reduce the learning curve and ensure quick adoption. If budget is a primary concern, SmartDraw or Electra offer cost-effective alternatives without compromising on essential features. Evaluate the need for industry-specific symbols and templates, because AutoCAD Electrical boasts an extensive library tailored to electrical design, allowing to streamline the creation of accurate and professional drawings. Consider the level of collaboration required for the projects. Evaluate if the software supports real-time collaboration, version control, and data sharing. This fosters teamwork and minimizes errors. If there is a need to adhere to specific industry standards, ensure that the chosen software complies with standards such as National Electrical Code or International Electrotechnical Commission. This ensures the drawings meet regulatory requirements. Also keep in mind that the right electrical drawing software can significantly streamline the design process, improve accuracy, and facilitate collaboration. Take the time to assess specific needs, consider the available options, and make an informed decision that aligns with the overall goals. When evaluating the software to pick, firstly, assess the user interface and usability by ensuring the software has an intuitive interface with easily accessible tools and commands. Secondly, check the symbol library and template availability by verifying that the software provides a comprehensive library of electrical symbols and templates. Thirdly, look at the features for automated tasks by checking that the software offers automated tasks such as wire numbering, bill of materials generation, and error checking. Fourthly, consider integration capabilities with other software. The software should seamlessly integrate with other software like computer-aided design, building information modeling, and project management tools. Fifthly, review the collaboration features to see if it supports real-time collaboration, version control, and data sharing. Sixthly, check compliance with industry standards such as National Electrical Code and International Electrotechnical Commission. Seventhly, investigate the availability of training and support resources. Make sure the software vendor offers adequate training, documentation, and technical support. Eighthly, find out the pricing and licensing options as well as if it is perpetual or subscription-based. Ninthly, consider scalability and future needs to ensure the software can accommodate future growth and evolving project requirements. Choosing the right electrical drawing software is a critical decision that impacts productivity and accuracy. By carefully evaluating these factors, a well-informed decision can be made, leading to improved electrical design outcomes. When exploring these softwares, consider if it can do real-time collaboration and what that collaboration looks like. Real-time collaboration facilitates simultaneous work on the same project by multiple team members, enhancing productivity and minimizing errors. Another thing to consider is the version control features that track changes, allowing to revert to previous versions if needed. Evaluate whether the software offers cloud-based storage, enabling easy access from any location and promoting seamless collaboration among remote team members. Also, a well-defined workflow management system streamlines the design process and ensures that tasks are completed efficiently. By prioritizing collaboration features, electrical engineers can enhance teamwork, minimize errors, and achieve optimal project outcomes. And do not forget about file sharing capabilities. A good software should provide secure file sharing. The type of file sharing depends on the system. Also, the cost and long-term viability. So when considering these tools, it's important to look at the costs. Check the software subscription pricing versus a one-time perpetual license. Think about the long-term viability of the software developer or company. Is the company growing and profitable? How long has the company been in business for? Also consider any add-ons or third-party applications. The add-ons might also be a factor into the total costs and need to be considered. Also consider any templates and symbols. Are there any third-party templates and symbols that are available, and at what cost? Electrical drawing software significantly streamlines the design process, boosting productivity and precision in electrical projects. However, its effectiveness depends on selecting the most appropriate tool for the unique needs and budget. To choose the software, firstly, evaluate the project requirements. Assess the complexity, scale, and types of electrical projects. Secondly, review user interface and usability. Select software with an intuitive and user-friendly interface for ease of use. Thirdly, find a comprehensive symbol library. The software should offer a wide range of industry-standard electrical symbols. Fourthly, consider automation features for tasks. Automate repetitive tasks like wire numbering and bill of materials generation to save time. Fifthly, ensure compatibility with other systems. The software must integrate with other computer-aided design, building information modeling, and project management software. Sixthly, test collaboration capabilities for team projects. Opt for software that facilitates real-time collaboration, version control, and secure file sharing. Seventhly, make sure it complies with electrical codes. Confirm the software complies with standards such as the National Electrical Code and International Electrotechnical Commission. Eighthly, weigh the costs and licensing implications. Compare licensing models, including perpetual licenses and subscription plans. Ninthly, check the scalability for long-term needs. Choose software that can adapt to increasing complexity and evolving requirements. By carefully evaluating these parameters, it is possible to find the ideal electrical drawing software that boosts efficiency, accuracy, and collaboration. Another thing to consider, firstly, evaluate the learning curve of each software option. Some software programs may have a steeper learning curve than others, which can impact productivity in the short term. Secondly, assess the availability and quality of training resources. Consider whether the software vendor offers comprehensive training programs, tutorials, and documentation to help users get up to speed quickly. Thirdly, review customer support options and responsiveness. Ensure that the software vendor provides reliable customer support channels such as phone, email, or online chat to address any technical issues or questions that may arise. Fourthly, assess the software's performance and stability under different operating systems. Fifthly, consider the software's ability to handle large and complex electrical drawings without performance degradation. Sixthly, check the software's compatibility with various file formats, such as drawing exchange format, design web format, and portable document format, to facilitate seamless data exchange with other stakeholders. Seventhly, make sure the software has version control features to track changes and revert to previous versions if needed. Eighthly, consider the software's cloud-based storage options to facilitate access from any location. Ninthly, review the software's licensing and subscription options to ensure the most cost-effective solution. Consider the specific needs and requirements of the project and prioritize the factors that are most important to ensure the best possible outcomes.